Welcome back to an introductory course on ground support equipment. Now in this lecture, we will learn about the equipment responsible for waste drainage from the aircraft. It is known as lavatory drainage truck. We will begin with the introduction, followed by why do we need the equipment. Then we will discuss how lavatory operation takes place at an airport and conclude the lecture with different types of lavatory service equipment. Let us discuss the lavatory requirement. Recall the conditioning requirement we discussed in the PCA unit lecture. An Airbus A320 carries at least 200 passengers and it can fly more than 7 hours non-stop, whereas a 777 or A380 can fly for more than 17 hours non-stop on many long international routes. Of course, if people are going to remain in the flight for such long periods, the aircraft must inevitably require lavatory systems. So because of all these requirements, all commercial aircraft have a specialized system for waste handling. Almost all the aircraft have toilets at the back of the aircraft. All wastewater is collected into the waste tanks, which is for a narrow body aircraft like A320 can be up to 200 liters. The drain line and flush line from this tank are carried out to the outlet located near the tail of the aircraft, which is used by the lavatory service equipment to connect with the aircraft. This equipment is very easy to understand. It has a drain line used for draining all the waste and a flush line which is used by the equipment to inject disinfectant solution for rinsing the waste tank. These lavatory trucks service one aircraft in a single go and then the waste is transferred into the airport sewer line. The airport sewer line is connected to the city sewer system. In this way, the waste from the aircraft is dumped into the city sewer. Now there are two types of lavatory service equipment. The lavatory truck which we have been discussed till now, and the other type is the service cart on which all the components are installed over the cart. Almost all large airports use the service truck because they can service more aircraft than the truck and they don't require a towing truck to move them. So this was it for lavatory service truck. See you all in the next lecture.